One of the fundamental objectives of TMS was to utilize as much native Word functionality as possible. Now, a great example of that is how we have used the content editor panel that Microsoft introduced in its later versions of Office. To demonstrate that, I'm going to select one of our templates, quickly save it into our document management system, and then we can start working on it immediately. Now, on the right hand side, what you will see is the content editor panel appear. This is the native Word function that TMS is leveraging to give users the ability to simply enter data where appropriate to complete and fill out this document. Now, I'm going to do exactly that, and as I start typing and entering information, you will notice it will be updated in the document itself. We can also configure choice fields, so the users simply select from a predefined list of choices, and again, as I'm doing that, you can see where it's updating itself in the document. We have the ability to enable lookups, so we can integrate with Outlook, contacts, interaction to pull in information about your clients and add it into the document. I'm going to choose contacts, and if I choose Gordon, you will see Gordon is then added. With the address, this is something I'm going to type in, so I can simply do that in the field, and you will see that appear throughout the document where appropriate. And just to finish this off, the property address, you'll notice, appears twice in here. We've got one here and one here. But with TMS, I only need to enter it once. So by completing the field once, what I'm doing is actually updating the document in all parts, in all places where it's relevant. The content editor panel can also be configured to group various fields of information together where appropriate. So here we've got the number of clients section, and I've got some options available to me. At the moment there is nothing added to the document, but if I select 1, it changes to you. If I select 2, it will update to show both of you, and likewise if I do more than 2, it will say all of you. I'm going to just simply add the purchase price in here and then move on to the next group. So the terms of business. Do I want to include our terms of business into this particular document? If the answer is yes, I simply choose yes, and the relevant paragraph is pulled into the document. If I selected no, it will actually adjust and include the correct terminology for that decision. So I'll just very quickly complete the document, and you can see it's now nicely taking shape. The partner is the main point of contact, and the sign-off is kind regards. And there you have it. We have a fully completed document that is maintaining the styles and formatting the firm has imposed, yet making it very simple for the user to complete by the content editor field.